In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat online. Let's start by opening the Line app on your phone. Make sure you're connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data, and that your app is up to date so everything looks familiar and works smoothly. If the app takes a moment to load, that's normal. Give it a second to refresh your latest activity. If you're prompted to log in, simply follow the on-screen instructions. Choose the sign-in method you normally use and complete any verification the app requests. If you've used Line on this device before, you may be signed in automatically. Take a moment to confirm that you're on your main home screen before moving on. Next, head to the Chats tab. On most devices, you'll find it along the bottom navigation bar. This tab is where all of your conversations live. You'll see recent chats at the top and can scroll to find older ones. If your list is long, use the search bar to quickly locate a friend by name. From your contacts or chat list, tap the name of the friend you want to message. If you don't immediately see them, type their name in the search field and select the correct result. Make sure you're choosing the person's individual profile rather than a group, unless you specifically want to message a group chat. On your friend's profile screen, look for the chat icon, usually a speech bubble. Tap that to open a new conversation thread or jump into an existing one. You should now be looking at a familiar chat window with your keyboard ready at the bottom and your conversation history above. In the message field at the bottom, type what you want to say. Keep an eye on the character counter if one appears, and feel free to add emojis or stickers if that helps you express your message. But the basics are simply typing clear text. Before sending, glance over what you wrote for typos or autocorrect surprises. When you're ready, tap the send icon, typically a paper airplane or arrow to the right of the text field. Your message will appear in the thread immediately. If your connection is stable, it should send right away. You may see a small indicator when your friend has opened the message. If a message doesn't send, check your connection and try again. That's all you need to start a chat online. Open the app, sign in if asked, go to Chats, pick your friend, open the chat, type your message, and send. With these basics down, you'll be communicating in no time.